What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor. After typing, you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Click on that website, and if you are new to this website, simply sign in with your email and password, and it will ask you a little bit of questions like, do you currently have an internship? Are you a student? Are you an employee? Just simply answer these questions and your account will be created. But if you already have an account on Glassdoor, simply log in with that account, and after logging in or signing in, you will be welcome to the homepage of Glassdoor. Now, on the top, as you can see, upload your resume so that employers can find you. Simply click on this, and then you can choose your files. You can choose your resume file from wherever you have saved it on your computer and select it and then click on open, and then your resume will be opened on Glassdoor. And after that, you will see the option of uploading that resume. Click on upload and your resume will be uploaded on Glassdoor, and employers can then find you based on your resume. So this is how you can upload your resume on Glassdoor. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you everyone for watching.